In this video, we are looking at the Tozo Openbuds. This retail at I think $60, and as you guys can see, these are open. They are not in ear or anything like that. They just stay on the ear canal and they make the sound. This is fairly decent packaging here. What I like about this is the battery life. It can do nearly 12 hours of continuous playback and 42 hours of playback with the case. Comes with a very KZ kind of case, KZ kind of box, but this is decent, and we do not need bigger things here because there is no ear tip or anything like that. I believe we just get a case and the earbuds. There is no need for anything else. Do we have any information on the box that tells us about the specs? No. Tozo Citrus Street, California. They are designed in California but made in China. So that's a thing you should not be uh, distracted with. There are some documentation and stuff. Let's have a look at the quick guide. What are the stuff we have? So yeah, there are some pairing instructions and hold and stuff. Okay, we will we nearly know all of these things. Charging, so that's a good thing. So do not put wet earbuds. Okay, there are some IP rating to this, and I'm not exactly sure, but it is X5 or X6 kind of IP rating, so it should be decent when it comes to uh, water resistance. So here are some specification: 14 mm dynamic driver, charging is 2 hours, battery capacity is 70 mAh, because these are bigger than the general earbuds. 70 mAh means you can play it for longer, and 65 650 mAh means you can charge this. You should be able to charge this a lot more times, but it isn't going to charge a lot more times. I think 3 or 4 times they will charge, nothing more, not more than that. So transmission range and stuff. Do we have anything else? So this is how you wear it. Power on off, pairing and stuff. So another language, I believe. No, same thing. This is how you are going to use the app here. Good, nice. So this is the manual. Let's have a look. I am expecting wireless charging here, but that's a bit of wishful thinking, I believe, because this is fairly cheap. Tozo Openbuds, nice. 2.4 watt hour battery inside this. So these are the buds, fairly small. I was expecting this to be slightly on the bigger size, but I'll have to say slightly bigger than 1 inch. I might find it to be very similar to 3 centimeters, not more than that. 3 cm is fairly big for a TWS, but this is on ear kind of thing, so should be decent. These are the speakers, you guys can see, just bigger than my thumb digit. My thumb digit is even bigger, so you guys can see it's fairly small, very small, not big at all. So it should be very comfortable inside the ear, but there are no gripping structures inside it, no in-ear kind of structure, so it will sit on the ear. It will not go deep into the ear, and no discomfort. Some people have discomfort with in-ear style designs, so this is the thing. There are no buds or anything at all. Touch area, this is the microphone, I believe. This is this is the mic, or does it have any kind of ANC? What I'm kind of baffled here is they have no information on the box. Totally no information on the box. Nothing about the specification or anything, or any IP rating, but this do have some IP rating. I'll let you guys know. Once I check the website, their official website, these are very good for kids. It should not damage their ears, since in-ears can get very loud. This, even though can get loud, will not be that harmful to their young ears. The case is fairly compact too. I'll say 3.5 inches, nothing more than that, and fairly flat. So it's fairly good case, and we should have a C to C cable. I'm not expecting anything. Okay, okay. So this is a A to C cable, type A to C cable. So this is it. There is nothing else. Nothing else. I will put it back in, and this is it. Thank you for watching, guys. This is the unboxing of Tozo Openbuds.